Well, they've been calling it the trial of the century, and many had expected some kind of high drama, but for most of today's arraignment hearing, it was really pretty chaotic and bordering on farce until the last few minutes when Ramzi bin al-Shibh, one of the defendants, stood up and started ranting. He said, "You're going to kill us." And started talking about threats to him and the other defendants. Now, that was all the more dramatic because none of the defendants have spoken at all throughout this hearing. The words we've heard most often from the judge, Colonel Pohl, the military judge, have been the accused refuses to answer, as he's been reading out to each of them their rights and their opportunity to choose defence attorneys, and they've simply sat there totally oblivious, it seemed, of the proceedings going on around them. One of them muttering prayers, another reading, the others just simply not answering. So it has been farcical also in the sense that the judge had to bring a translator into the court to translate concurrently, because it wasn't clear whether these defendants were silent because they couldn't understand the translation or whether they were choosing to refuse to answer. And as the lawyer spoke, then the translator spoke over him. It was a cacophony of speech. No one could really work out what was going on. It then settled down to this more laborious process, which was frankly fairly tedious. It wasn't dramatic until, as I say, the last few minutes we've heard this outburst from Ramzi bin al-Shibh. And that's really been the only time we've heard from any of these five accused.